Leo, hi there. Hope you're doing fine. Let's do your reading for the month of August 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter signs. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pediridla. So I'm going to look at the cards for you and see what we have in the month of August for you. And this card wanted to come out very badly, and it was very quick. And if you're dealing with Aries, then you have to check out Aries reading. I'll mention in the annotations over there. Because even Aries got this as their first card, and surprisingly even you got this as the first card, and cards doesn't pop out just like that. I told you many times. Okay. And High Priestess is knowledge. Okay, you are reading many books for sure. You are reading many articles, you are browsing over the internet, you are learning things, you're googling many things, you're learning things, you're communicating with other people, you're getting to know things. That's very good, Leo. You're becoming wiser. You're becoming wise. Yeah, every day, Son of Wands, every day. You're connecting with this mature energy. You're feeling deep inside that you are very intelligent, you are feeling smart, you are feeling good about yourself, and you feel like you know a lot, and you're standing out. You want to represent in the world that way. You want others to see you as someone who is very smart, very attractive, and you are attractive, Leo, Son of Wands. Very good cards to come out. Very good cards to come out. For few people, I can see High Priestess next to Son of Wands. You're learning how to be attractive also. You're learning about fashion. You're learning about how to take care of yourself, how to sleep well, when to get up, how to have these routines. High Priestess next to Son of Wands. Hierophant also, same thing. You might attend marriages. In the month of August, you might communicate with teachers more. You might communicate with parents more. You might learn many books for sure. You might watch horror movies. High Priestess, Son of Wands, Hierophant. That card want to come out. Judgment. Very beautiful cards to come out. 3 major arcanas out of 4 as of now. That's a lot. Definitely a lot. Hierophant next to Judgment, definitely a decision you have to make, a major decision, and it has to do with using your mind a lot. And that's the reason universe is providing you so much of knowledge that you need. And this decision requires a lot of knowledge, and it's more than you think. And you'll be surprised why you have actually learnt a lot, because this knowledge, you have to utilize this knowledge to take this decision, and this knowledge is going to help you to take this decision, whatever you need. And this decision you have to make, because you are the only one who knows about your life. Okay, not even the universe takes the decision for you, because you know much better than anyone. Okay, even the universe, you know much better about yourself than the universe itself, than anybody. That's the reason Judgment is here, and it will provide you whatever necessary knowledge you need in order to take the decision. But you have to take it, because you know what is good for you, right? You can't just say to the universe, provide me everything that I need to make me feel happy. If you say that, you're not gonna manifest anything. You have to say, I need a particular car, I need a particular home which has to look this way, which has to have this kind of direction or location or pricing, whatever. If you are very specific, and if you know every single detail and even the color of the home, color of the car, if you mention very clearly, only then universe will provide you. Or else you're not clear in your mind, you haven't decided what you want. then how can you even get it? That's why you are the only one who knows about yourself than the universe. That is judgment. And to understand what you even like, you have to have a lot of knowledge. You have to have a lot of knowledge to even understand about yourself. That's the reason you got High Priestess as the first card. Few cards have fallen down. I didn't feel like taking it. I saw 3 of Cups. I saw 7 of Swords also. Let's continue the reading. Okay, I don't want to talk about it because it was fallen down, and I won't take it also. Okay, it has to do with communicating with your friends, and 7 of Swords is something which you will understand later. Okay, now 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, it's about your finances, guys. It's about your finances. It's about your career. It's about your finances. It's about how much you want in life. It's about what you want in life. The same thing what I told you is literally that. 9 of Pentacles. Decide what you want, how much you want, when you want it. Even that will help you. But be practical and decide what you're gonna give back in return in order to achieve it. What are the things that you're gonna do in order to achieve it? If you create this plan and keep it unwavering, you're gonna manifest things. Okay. Ace of Swords. I told you, new beginnings are gonna start with regards to your finances. You're gonna receive that new energy of your pentacle reach to you. And there's nothing but judgment. It all depends on this. A time comes where the pressure builds up. It's a pressure cooker card. The pressure builds up. A time comes and immediately you have to take a decision. If you don't take the decision, then it's going to be very chaotic. It's going to be disastrous. Okay. Not that what you imagine when I say disastrous. You got Strength card in the bottom of the deck. I just saw this right now. And Strength is your card, Leo. Everything happens for a reason, okay? Strength card is Leo. I'm wearing red color. It's a fire sign, Leo. I'm wearing red, okay? Didn't plan it. Son of Wands you got. This is your card, Leo, Son of Wands. Strength is also your card. Major Arcana. So you have the strength, you have the passion, you have the fire of red. Okay, you have to not be afraid of anything. Be bold enough to take the right decision and you know it. Either ways, if you take, I feel like you're going to take the right decision, and just by knowing what you want, that's all you need in order to manifest in this case, because judgment is here. Okay. Mother of Pentacles. Wow. For a few people, I feel like you're going to become a mother. You're gonna definitely become a mother soon for many of you, because Ace of Swords next to Mother of Pentacles, for few people you're gonna get a good news, okay, in the month of August, especially Leo ascendant people. Okay, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be very happy for that. Your mother also is gonna contact you in the month of August. Maybe a phone call or just a visit, or she might be, if you're already in contact with her, she definitely wants to take care of you in the month of August, and you will actually notice few things in the month of August that she's actually taking care of you, trying her best to actually nurture you. World card, definitely this is a travel card. I told you she might be traveling, getting in contact with you. I told phone call, but it might be a visit also, I told. So that's nothing but world card. She might be living in another country, is what I'm saying for many of you. Mother of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and world card. Literally that. She wants to contact you, and she might be very far away from you. For others, if you're already in contact, I can see that, as I told, you might notice few things that she's trying to do that is very nurturing to you, and she's thinking that you are the world to her. Okay, she's feeling that you are the world to her. Okay, and this is your mom, and this is you over here. It is so beautiful cards. I really love these cards, and you can see the affection that the mother has for this deer. It's really beautiful. I'll take two cards flashed out. Ace of Pentacles and Six of Cups, both at the same time. It was flashed. Okay, it was popping out and flashed, and yeah, you can see this Ace of Pentacles is such a beautiful card. It's a big coin. Okay, and I feel like you're gonna feel very, very happy in the month of August, guys, and your mom is gonna help you to stay motivated, to be emotionally happy. And when you're in that emotionally happy vibration, you're gonna get a big coin, definitely a big coin, and it might be an offer also. Ace of Pentacles, you can see in Rider-Waite, he's gonna hold a big coin and he's gonna offer with someone else, and this is nothing but an offer, an opportunity. I feel like you're gonna be placed in some big company, a very good company who's gonna give you very good finances also, is what I'm saying. And Six of Cups, yeah, you're gonna connect with that childhood memories. You will feel that you have grown a lot, and you look at the roots of yourself, and you'll feel proud, is what I'm saying. And you're gonna be very, very wealthy, but you have to take the right decision. This judgment, you have to take the right decision. This decision will figure out your life, and it will definitely take your knowledge. It will take the cost of your knowledge. Okay, you have to be very, very wise. You have to learn things, and universe is gonna help you with that for sure. There's no problem with giving you the knowledge, but you have to take the decision. Okay, bottom of the deck, Magician. I told you about manifestation in the whole reading right now, and you got Magician, and you are the magician, Leo. Deep inside, you are the magician. You can see you have the ability of the sword, the pentacle, the wand, and the cups, and you got all the four elements in the reading. You can see this: cups, pentacles, wands, and swords. This is the sword, Ace of Swords. You got wands, Son of Wands. You got pentacle. Yeah, even the world is also a pentacle over here because it is earth, right? Then Ace of Pentacles is pentacles. Cups, I told. You got Six of Cups. You got all the elements. You got fire, water, air, and earth. What else you need? Even you have the space, the spirit. There's the fifth element. You can see over here. That's the infinity. And infinity is nothing but the enlightenment, the space. Okay. You have all the five elements. Okay. Then what else you need? You are the magician. That's all I have for you, Leo. Such a beautiful reading this is in the month of August. Really, really amazing. I am very happy to see Mother of Pentacles come out next to Ace of Swords. If you're having a good news that you're gonna become a mother, then definitely please share in the comments down below. I'll be very happy to know that, and congratulations if that's the case. So this is all I have for you, Leo. If you do want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that anytime. And thank you guys for so much support. We have crossed 900 subscribers very recently, and we are heading to 1000 subscribers. And I know it's still a long way, but we are reaching very soon, and thank you guys for so much support. And the series has released soon. Do check it out. The first video is released. The playlist I'll mention in the annotations over there, or you can click on this box. It will take you over there. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you very much, Leo.